ko na siya magpapay para malibang sa kabanwahan.
Then, improper use of toilet. Percentage of toilet usage in Sitio Malingit
has found out that majority of the residences use their toilet improperly.
Percentage of accessibility in Sitio Malingit. It was found that majority of the residents have no toilet. We recommend to the barangay officials, especially that they will put a communal toilet to every sitio in our barangay. For the family that has no toilet, they can use the communal toilet in their sitio. And they will not dispose their dirt anywhere and for our surrounding to be clean.
Beautiful ocean along the Pacific. This is my country, Philippines. This is my country. This is my country, Philippines, my Philippines. I cannot stay away from here. I cannot live here because I love my country, Philippines. This is my homeland, Philippines. This is my homeland. This is my homeland, Philippines, my Philippines. I cannot make kurang hair. I cannot cheat hair because I love my homeland, Philippines. Beautiful continent composed of many islands. Beautiful islands, white beaches and white sand. Beautiful mountains, valleys and rivers. God made us all beautiful in His perfect plan. Beautiful highways across the grainy rice field. Beautiful zigzag along the mountain cliffs. Beautiful sunrise, beautiful sunset, beautiful